Now, dear student, sorry, dear students, let us see now what is the welding definition, how the welding is been defined. The welding is a fabricated process in which two or more workpiece, usually melds, are joined permanently to form a single components. So this is what the simple definition of the welding process, in which the workpiece or the two different metals or two same metals are being melted to joint a permanent, both to joint a permanent to form in a single components. This is what the welding process is been defined. The welding is carried out by the heating edge of the workpiece. Whatever the workpiece you are going to be weld with the another workpiece, that the two metal parts, one metal part, one metal parts you are going to joint with an another metal part, that is the second metal part. The edge which has to be joined, these are the edge. See, for one metal part, if you are joining with the second metal part, so this edge of this both the metals are been heated with a suitable temperature, then fused together. Fused together means what? When these two parts edges are being heated, they starts to melt over there. When they starts to melt, convert into a liquid form. Both the liquid of this edge and this edge, or the first metal or the second metal, are being mixed with each other. That is called as a fusion together. That is called as a fusion, with or without the application of the pressure. No external pressure is being applied, only the heat is being produced. Since the slight gap usually exists between the edge of the workpiece, there is a gap between the edge of the workpiece which is being filled. Edge of the workpiece, the filler metal is used to supply the additional material to fill the gap. There is a filler material is being used, that is nothing but an electrorods. You have seen the electrorods in the welding. That is called as a filler material, which is been used to fill the gap between both the metals, that is the first metal and the second metal, which is going to be joined. That filler materials and both the metal liquid materials are mixed with each other, fused with each other. Then afterwards, let us see further. But the welding can be carried out without the filler metal, using the filler metal. The filler metal is melted in the gap and combines the molten metal of the workpiece upon the solidification from an integral part of the weld. Now you can see over here, this filler material mixed with liquid part of this edge and this edge of the part 1 and the second workpiece. First metal and second metal, the edge are been melted in the liquid form, then the filler metal also mixed in this one. And after this, all the combinations of the three metals is been allowed to cool. When it starts cooling, the temperature drops, this fusion material starts to solidify and integrate into a single components. So this is how the welding process has been carried out.